In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer USDT or any coin from OKX Exchange to KuCoin in very simple steps. I will also show you that which network you have to select for the minimum fees and for the instant arrival. So come on the OKX application. So I have opened OKX application on my cell phone. So to transfer any coin from OKX Exchange to KuCoin, first you have to come on the assets. So currently I have only two coins, TUP and USDT. So I will transfer USDT from here. So to send USDT or any coin from OKX Exchange to KuCoin, it means we are doing a withdraw from OKX Exchange and we will do deposit on KuCoin. So you have to click on the withdraw. So when you select withdraw, you will see two options, withdraw crypto and P2P trading. So currently we are doing a withdraw crypto. So select withdraw crypto. Now again here you have to select that which coin you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw USDT. So select USDT. So when you select USDT, again you have two options, on-chain and internal free. Basically internal free used to transfer USDT from OKX Exchange to another OKX Exchange account. Currently we are transferring from one exchange to another exchange. So we have to use on-chain. Select on-chain. First we have to ensure that which withdrawal network is available, because network should be same on the KuCoin Exchange and on the OKX Exchange. So let me show you that which network are available on OKX Exchange. So here you can see we have USDT, ERC20, TRC20, Polygon, Solana. So currently you can see that. So the fee for the ERC20 is 3.82 USDT and for the TRC20 is 1 USDT. So basically I always recommend to use TRC20 or BB20 network. So I will use TRC20, which is most reliable and instant arrival. But if you use USDT Polygon and Solana, which are also good, but I always recommend you to use TRC20. So I will select TRC20 here. The minimum withdrawal is 3 USDT. Alright, so I want to withdraw 5 USDT. After that you have to select withdrawal account. From which account you want to withdraw? From your funding account or trading account. Just like in funding account, I have only 0.59 USDT. In my trading account, I have 14.7 USDT. So I want to combine the both. Confirm. And on the bottom, you can see the network fee is 1 USDT. Amount will be received is 4 USDT. So everything is correct here. Now on the top, you can see here we need a USDT TRC20 address. So for this, we have to come on the KuCoin Exchange, where we will copy the USDT TRC20 address. Come on the KuCoin Exchange. So I have opened KuCoin application on my cell phone. Now to deposit USDT or any coin from another exchange, you have to come on the assets, press assets, and here you have to select the deposit. Now which coin you want to deposit? Currently we are doing a USDT deposit. So search USDT. After that you have to select the network, that in which network you want to deposit. So you can see there are many networks are available. So currently we are using TRC20. So network should be same on the both side, on the OKX Exchange and on the KuCoin Exchange. Otherwise you may lose your funds. TRC20. So here is the address. Copy this address, and on the bottom you can see where you want to deposit the received funds, on the funding account or on the trading account. I want to receive in the funding account. What's the minimum deposit? It is 1 USDT. So come on the OKX Exchange, where we will paste this address and withdraw USDT from OKX Exchange. Come on the OKX Exchange, enter your address here, press submit button. Warning, now it says please ensure you have selected the correct withdrawal address or account. So everything is correct. We have verified multiple times. Press continue. Alright. Again we have withdrawal confirmation. The network is USDT TRC20. Here is the address. Withdrawal amount is 5 USDT. Network fee is 1 USDT. And amount will be received 4 USDT. And here you have to give the email verification code and phone verification code. To receive these codes, you have to press send buttons. Confirm. So here you can see request submitted. So here is the button view withdrawal details. Press details. So currently it says withdrawal request submitted. So it will take less than a minute and sometime couple of minutes to complete your transactions. So here you can see first process is completed. On the next step, it says you have 1 minute to cancel. So OKX application provide you a facility, cancel your withdrawal transaction within a minute. So we have to wait for the 1 minute because we don't want to cancel the transactions. So you have to wait for the 1 minute till you can subscribe this channel for more amazing tutorials, and you can press the bell icon button to receive the notification of every video. Now we are in the another step. It says in progress. So here you can see our transaction has been completed. 4 USDT has been sent. So let's come on the KuCoin application and verify this transaction. Press the back button. Now come on the history button. So here you can see we have received 4 USDT. Press this. So here you can see our transaction has been completed. 4 USDT has been deposited in our funding account. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer USDT or any coin from OKX Exchange to KuCoin Exchange. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.